Hi, my name's Yvette, and I'm the mom of Sophia, who's 6 years old, and she's been enjoying using the iLearn math and language kits. The first thing she liked were the bears, which she was using as counters. So just at that, immediately she started doing addition and subtraction. If you have 2 bears and you add another bear, there are 3 bears. So she liked that. She also loved the alphabet blocks. She liked the alphabet blocks. She was making towers, and at the same time as she was making buildings, we were also learning how to pronounce the letters. A, T, O, 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 O. The plastic letters to make different words. We were just stringing them together, and then we were just making alphabet sounds. And then we also played a dice game. 5 more than 3, so number 5 wins, so she won. And then number 4 was more than 2, so I won. Things like that. Very little simple games, which she really enjoyed. It's just a matter of engaging her and making her want to learn more and more every day. And so many different activities you could do that are mentioned in the book. So every day there's something new which you, as a parent or the yaya, can play with. So very, very interesting. So I strongly recommend that you get the iLearn kits. They were put together by experts, not the 2 experts, Tammy and Trixie, are not just moms themselves of young kids, but they're also professionals, a school teacher and a therapist. Strongly recommend again that you get the iLearn kits. Enjoy!